Hey everyone, Ramadan Mubarak to every one of us. Um, I'll be showing us a new platform, a new decentralized exchange on the DeFi platform, and the name of the platform is the ApeSwap Finance platform. It works perfectly as a DEX, and just like PancakeSwap Finance platform, that's just how it works. You get to stake, you get to farm, you get to participate in lotteries and lots more. So in this video I'll just show you around the platform. I'll show you how it works, and you can have an idea of what you can do with the ApeSwap Finance platform. So for starters, this is the homepage of the ApeSwap Finance platform. It contains just summary of everything going on the platform: farms and staking, ApeSwap banana token statistics, and the total value locked in farm and pools. So to see through the features, you click on the rectangular lines in the top left corner on the home page. As you can see, you can check the statistics of Ape. If you click on the Ape stats, it will show you details and information about your pools and farm. As you can see, Ape stats help you keep track of your pools on the ApeSwap Finance platform. It shows you your daily earnings, your weekly earnings, your monthly earnings, as well as your yearly earnings, as long as you stake or farm on the ApeSwap Finance platform. Another function is the farming option. You click on farms. As you can see, you are able to farm ApeSwap banana tokens by providing liquidity pools for couple of pools. We have banana BANB liquidity pool, we have banana BUSD LP, we have banana bake, we have banana GFC, we have banana cake, banana bifi, and so on and so on. There are several pools you can join. Lots of pools: BUSD BNB pool, Rocket BNB pool, BUSD USDC pool, Sushi BNB pool. Several pools you can choose from to earn ApeSwap banana tokens. And to provide liquidity pool, all you have to do is click on trade, click on liquidity. Then you can easily add liquidity on the ApeSwap Finance platform. Another beautiful feature is the pools feature. It is a very good pool because you get to stake your banana tokens to farm other tokens. Here you can use banana to farm banana. You can use ApeSwap banana tokens to farm JDI token, Leptos pool. You can use it to farm Foxy Nut, and so on. ApeSwap Finance platform gives you the best of everything. Another feature is the IAO, which is initial ApeSwap offering. Here you get to participate in pre-sales, public sales, and token sales of different DeFi platforms on the ApeSwap Finance platform. And to take part, you have to buy banana and BNB tokens, provide pools, and you participate during the sales. You should check more information on ApeSwap Medium and Telegram channels. Another good pool or feature in the ApeSwap platform is the NFA, the non-fungible ApeSwap. Non-fungible apes. Just like an NFT, ApeSwap provides everything for you in quality and good value. Another feature is the lottery feature, where you get to participate in lotteries and there will be winners every 24 hours. To participate, you need to spend banana to buy tickets, then you win prizes if your ticket numbers matches the winning numbers and exact order. Very good platform, easy to use. And finally, you can check more information about ApeSwap finance platform on GitHub, Medium, Discord, Telegram, or Twitter. ApeSwap finance platform is here to stay. Stay tuned for more details about the platform. Cheers.